Welcome to Cinemover Tutoring, uPeter Efosloras. Sizokwenza i-multiple choice ye-momentum and impulse. Ngizocela ukuthi-ke makwenzeka uya kwi-exam ungaqali nge-multiple choice. Ngoba izokumoshela isikhathi esiningi kakhulu. Qala ngamanye ama-questions bese uyabuya kwi-multiple choice, but ungalenzi iphutha lokuthi ugcine ungayenzanga i-multiple choice. Ngoba inama-marks amaningi. Kuyenzeka futhi uthole ukuthi uthatha i-option awukho sure kanti i-option e-right. So make sure ukuthi ugcine uyibhalile yonke i-multiple choice, ungaqali ngayo to save time. Makwenzeka udecide ukuqala ngayo noma ukubuya kuyo, makwenzeka mhlawumbe ustuck, let's say kwi-question ethize ku-multiple choice, ungalokhu spend isikhathi kuleyo question uzama ukuyisolva. Dlulela phambili uzobuya ubuye so that uzokwazi ukusave isikhathi. At least kube ukuthi ususele nayo yodwa-ke bese uyibhala-ke lokhu ucabanga kumosha isikhathi kuwukuthi usuwaqedile amanye ama-questions. Ibaluleke kakhulu-ke multiple choice ngoba i-testa ukuthi unalo ulwazi olu-conceptual, unalo ulwazi futhi kuma-calculations. So make sure ukuthi mawubukela le video usunalo ulwazi le-momentum and impulse as i-topic or i-chapter. Ikhona i-video engayiposta ye-momentum and impulse, uzoyi-check-a khona la uyibukele before uzo-attempta lama-questions we-multiple choice. 1.1, to which of the following physical quantities is equal to the product of net force and change in time? Remember, product lento siyithola masi multiplier. So by multiply ini the product of the net force, okusho ukuthi F net, and ini and change in time. Ngicabanga ukuthi siyayazi lento lena ibizwa ngani nge-impulse. Remember, leli formula liba kanje maseliphelele. So impulse equals change in P, noma F net delta T equals change in P. So kule question lena bekungawukuthi mhlambe i-answer uyu impulse noma i-change in momentum. Ithi sibheke kuma options khona i-power, i-impulse, nawo impulse uyavela, akekho change in momentum. So i-answer yethu ke for 1.1 kuzoba u-B. Elandelayo, a cricketer hits an approaching ball back in the opposite direction to its original direction. Uyalishaya ke i-cricket liza ngakuye ke uyalishaya libuyela le emuva. Which one of the following statements regarding this collision between the bat and the ball is true? The collision is perfectly elastic. Asikudlule lokho okwamanje mhlambe. Obviously kumele wazi ukuthi elastic collision kanjani. A collision in which kinetic energy is conserved. So asikwazi ukuthi siconclude mhlawumbe okwamanje ukuthi le collision i-conserved. Ithi sizwe kodwa amanye ama-options. The momentum of the ball stays the same before and after the collision. Akulona iqiniso lelo because there's change in velocity la, okusho there's change in momentum as well. Ibikade iza towards le cricketer and then wayishaya buyele emuva. Option C, the magnitude of the net force of the ball on the cricket is equal to the magnitude of the net force of the bat on the ball. Bathi ke i-force exertwe i-bat ebholeni iyafana ne-force exertwe ibhola kwi-bat. Iqiniso lelo. Remember, uNewton third law uthi if one body exerts a force on the second body exerts a force of equal magnitude in the opposite direction on the first body. Into velele okumele sihlezi siyazi ukuthi during the collision or whatever, if kune-interaction between ama-objects awu-2, i-force exertwe yilokuqala kulowesi-2 iyafana ne-force exertwe yilowesi-2 kulokuqala. But ithi si-check u-D ukuthi uthini, but u-C uye obukeka most convincing. The magnitude of the net force of the bat on the ball is greater than, okay, akulona-ke iqiniso lelo. Ngicela ukuthi niyinake kakhulu-ke lento ka-option C. Kulento le ye-momentum and impulse, la esifike sikhulume khona nge-force kula kwi-formula leli le-impulse. Into enzakalayo ukuthi i-force ka-object 1 on object 2 iyafana ne-force ka-object 2 on object 1. Isikhathi of impacts ka-object 1 on 2 siyafana nesikhathi of impacts ka-object 2 on 1. leyo nto yenza ukuthi ne-impulse ku-object 1 ka-object 1 on 2 ifane ne-impulse ka-object 2 on 1. Ungayikhohlwa-ke leyo nto leyo. So i-answer u-C ku-1.2. Elandelayo, which one of the following units of measurement for the rate of Which one of the following is the unit measurement for the rate of change of momentum? Remember the rate of change. Mabethi the rate of change basho ukuthi leyo nto leyo ithi over delta t. So mabethi, let's say bathi the rate of change of velocity, le acceleration noma in velocity. So mabethi the rate okusho ukuthi over delta t, the rate of change mhlambe of whatever, let's say displacement, siyazi ukuthi leyo yini i-velocity. So i-velocity by definition is the rate of change of displacement, of position, sorry. I-acceleration by definition is the rate of change in velocity. So mabethi into is the rate of change, basho ukuthi kudividwe is the rate kudividwe ngo delta t. So bathi which one of the following is the unit of measurement for the rate of change of bani, of momentum? Konje lo ulingana nobani? Ulingana no F net. Mawuzokhumbula from leli formula lithi F net delta t equals change in P. So must divide ngo delta t ngapha nangapha, so sala no F net equals change in P over change in T. This is the rate of change of momentum elingana nobani, no F net. So bathi yiphi ke i-unit of measurement elingana no rate of change of momentum? Okuwukuthi u-rate of change of momentum ulingana no F net. U-F net is measured in bani, in newtons, force. So kwenza ukuthi ke i-answer ka 1.3 kuba u-C futhi nayo. I hope kuyezwakala. Elandelayo, a trolley T with mass M moves on a frictionless horizontal surface to the right at a constant speed V. The trolley collides against a stationary block B with the same mass M. After the collision, the trolley moves to the left. Siyabona ke bayivezile leyo nto esithombeni ukuthi i-trolley izoya to the left and then i-block B iye to the right. Ibikade stationary, remember i-block B initial. Kuthiwani ke which one of the following P versus T graph is the correct representation of momentum of trolley and block before and after the collision? Okay, ithi siyibuke kahle ke lento lesibukela ama graphs. Kulula ukuthi mhlambe singayithola lento. Okokuqala masingabuka u-block B initially ebe stationary. Mawukuthi u-stationary kusho ukuthi momentum yakhe beku-0. Remember i-momentum idepende ku-velocity. If i-velocity iwu-0, i-momentum iwu-0. If i-velocity inkulu, i-momentum inkulu. If i-velocity incane, i-momentum incane. So kuyayenza isense ukuthi singathi mhlambe for u-block B ama-graph angacishe enze isense u-graph A, B and C, ngoba ku-A u-graph B uqala eku-0, naku-B futhi u-graph B uqala eku-0, naku-C u-graph B uqala eku-0. Ithi si-check-e ukuthi mayesuka ku-0 u-graph B uya kwi-positive side noma kwi-negative side. To the right positive side, to the left negative side. Siyabona ukuthi u-graph B ku-option A uye to the positive side, ugaine i-speed in the positive direction, therefore uya kwi-positive side. Okusho ukuthi option A no-option B kungenzeka ukuthi ama-options are right. U-C useyafeyila. Ithi si-check-e i-trolley ke lena. I-trolley iye kwa-left noma kwa-right after the collision, iye kwa-left. Okusho ukuthi ke iye kwi-negative side, therefore i-option e-right ile u-A. Okay, I hope understandile kwi-previous question ukuthi why sigcine sikhetha A as option right. Sibuke ukuthi ama-velocity noma ama-object aya ngakuphi. Njengoba i-object yakwa left kusho ukuthi i-momentum yayo ithi to the left and left i-negative side. So yikho ngikhetha A kunokuthi ngikhethe u-option B. U-option B u-T okuyi-trolley ebekade ekwi-positive side initially kwane change. Okay, ithi ngiyiveze kanje lento le. Initially u-T ebekade on the positive side kuwukuthi uhamba ke ngevelocity akahamba ngayo i-momentum ibingakashintshi and then kwane change in momentum still kodwa simbona u-trolley usasekwi-positive side okusho ukuthi isuggest ukuthi yebo ushayisene nento akashayisene ngayo kwa resulta kwi-change in momentum kodwa usaqhubeka uyakhona lapha ade vele eyakhona okuwukuthi ebeya kwa right akulona kodwa iqiniso lelo. So le option le ewu-B i-wrong ngaleyo reason leyo. And then masibheka u-option A, u-option A initially siyambona ukuthi initially ebekade ne-positive momentum yashintsha i-momentum kwelinye side manje kusho ukuthi useya kwelinye side uya kwa left. Nangivele uya kwa left njengoba beshilo nabo kwi-diagram. So iyayenza ke sense le ukuthi kube u-A i-answer. Laba bafeyilile vele ngokuthini lo ufeyliswe u-B. U-B yes uqale ku-0 kodwa akashintshanga waya kwi-negative side. Ushintshe waya kuphi kwi-positive side. I hope niyayithola leyo nto leyo. Okay, ithi sibheke i-question elandelayo. Which one of the following statement about the linear momentum is true? Momentum is a force. Asikuvumi lokho, i-momentum akuyona i-force. Momentum of an object is always positive. Asikuvumi lokho, kuyenzeka ibe negative. Let's say i-object yakwa left and esithatha left as negative. Momentum is a scalar quantity. Akulona iqiniso lelo, momentum i-vector quantity. Momentum and impulse have the same units. Yes, iqiniso lelo. So i-option right lana u-D. I-momentum ne-impulse banama-units afanayo bowu-2 ba-measured in kg meters per second. Ithi sibuke i-impulse, nayi i-impulse F net delta T equals change in P. So i-impulse kuleli side elingapha kwa left inama-units athi Newton ngoba i-force kuma-Newton times seconds ngoba isikhathi sikuma-seconds. Nawo ama-units we-impulse. Kodwa i-impulse iphinde futhi ilingane ne-change in momentum. Change in momentum ama-units akhona u-kg meters per second. So i-impulse inama-units awu-2 a-right lama-units. So bathi momentum-ke and impulse have the same units. Yes, iqiniso. This is change in momentum okuyiyo vele i-momentum in kg meters per second. Iyafana newa-impulse ngoba zowu-2 lezinto ziyalingana vele noma ziyafana. 1.6 Which one of the following statements is always true for inelastic collisions of an isolated system? Inelastic collision into ebalulekileko kumele uyenze mawenze multiple choice ungaqala ucheck ama-options qale u-understand i-statement kube ukuthi unayo i-answer to i-statement noma i-question ngoba ama-options lawa azogcina se-influence indlela ocabanga ngayo ugcina usukhetha kanti i-thinking yakhe influence ama-options kanti option oyithatha i-wrong. So njengoba bethi nje la, which one of the following statements is always true for an inelastic collision in an isolated system? Na into ebalulekile okokuqala ukuthi okay i-system isolated and then nakho kunye futhi okubalulekile ukuthi inelastic collision. Okokuqala okumele ukwenza ukuthi konje inelastic collision i-collision enjani? I-collision in which kinetic energy is not conserved. Angithi uyabona. So uyabona ukuthi kushuthi konke lapho kuthiwa khona but kinetic energy not conserved. Kinetic energy ayikho conserved. Iyo into esingayithatha leyo eyenza sense. Kodwa ke i-momentum ke buku option A uthi both momentum and kinetic energy are conserved. Usefeyilile lo ngokuthi kinetic energy uthe i-conserved kanti by definition inelastic collision is the collision in which kinetic energy is not conserved. Okay. U-B uthi both momentum and kinetic energy are not conserved. Okay, right ukuthi kinetic energy is not conserved, but what about i-momentum? Kuthiwe i-system isolated, and in an isolated system the total linear momentum remains constant. Leyo i-principle of conservation of linear momentum. For as long as i-system i-isolated, i-momentum izohlezi conserved. So njengoba beshilo la ukuthi in an isolated system, sekuyaphoqa ukuthi kube ukuthi i-momentum i-conserved. So lo othi momentum ayikho conserved use-wrong. Awuthi sibuke option C, momentum is conserved. Yes, why? Because the system is isolated, but not kinetic energy. Yes, why? Because the collision is inelastic. By definition, inelastic collision is the collision in which kinetic energy is not conserved. It is born option D, but the answer C. Kinetic energy is conserved, but not momentum. Use wrong. So the answer C ku 1.6. I hope neyithona. Sisibheke elandelayo. Two spring-loaded trolleys of equal masses are exploded by releasing their springs simultaneously. Immediately after the explosion, the trolleys move in opposite directions with equal velocity. Lana kunama-trolley ke abawahlanganisile ngespringi. Sekuthiwa-ke basireleasile-ke kusho ukuthi bebesicompressile lesi spring lesi. Mabesidedela ama-trolley ke ayahlukana-ke aya kwi-opposite direction-ke simultaneously with equal velocities. Basho kanjalo-ke ahamba ngama-velocities afanayo. Which one of the following statements is correct regarding the moving apart of the trolleys? Option A uthi in an isolated system the total momentum is conserved. Iqiniso leli. Ithi sibheke elandelayo. The net force equals the product of the mass and velocity. Akulona iqiniso leli ukuthi net force ilingana ne-product of mass and velocity. Momentum equals the product of mass and velocity. Iqiniso naleli. But sogcina mhlambe siwacompare lamaqiniso sibone ukuthi iliphi elenza isense kakhulu. Impulse equals the product of net force and collision time. Futhi kuyiqiniso lokho ukuthi impulse lingana ne-product of net force and the collision time. But bathini lana, which one of the following statements is correct regarding the moving apart? So initially bebehlangene and then mabe move apart kuthiwani ku A, in an isolated system the total momentum is conserved. Mhlambe mangathiwa lana siyibuka as a system lento lena njengoba kuthiwa the moving apart of trolleys, mhlambe engayenza kakhulu isense u-option A than option C. Option C ukhuluma nge-momentum nje in general. Okuwukuthi mhlambe of i-object nje mhlambe eyi-1 mawuyibuka. Kanjalo futhi u-impulse lona ikhuluma nje nge-impulse in general mhlambe i-object eyi-1 mawuyibuka. Kanti la bakhuluma ngama-objects are-involved kuleyo isolated system. Bathi ki-momentum of object 1 plus momentum of object 2 initial equals momentum of object 1 plus momentum of object 2 final. So yiyo-ke into eyenza ukuthi ngigcine ngikhetha u-A ngibayeka laba abanye. Although nabo benza isense, but kule option kule scenario i-option right kakhulu u-A. Okuwukuthi in an isolated system. So sibuka lama-trolleys O2 as izinto ezikwi-system esingathi isolated. 1.8 An airbag can protect a driver from serious injury during a collision. Ngicabanga ukuthi ke mhlambe njengoba bekhuluma nge-airbag ke sikwi-momentum and impulse usuyacabanga i-Newton's second law in terms of momentum ngoba yiyo airbag application of Newton's second law in terms of momentum. Which one of the following best explains why it is possible? Okay. Kwi-concept ke le yama-airbag sino F net equals delta P over delta T, oku-Newton's second law in terms of momentum. Into esiyibhekayo-ke lana ukuthi lo makwenzeke increaser, lo uzo-decreaser. Makwenzeka lo decreaser, lo uzo-increaser at the same change in momentum. Iyo-ke i-Newton's second law in terms of momentum le application yakhona, noma-ke i-imply lento le i-Newton's second law in terms of momentum. Okay. An airbag can protect a driver from serious injury during a collision. Which one of the following best explains why this is possible? So i-airbag yenzani-ke? Obviously i-airbag izosenza ukuthi singalimali, okusho ukuthi iyayi-decreaser i-force noma i-net force. Kusho ukuthi sizobheka ama-options ano-net force okuwukuthi uya-decreaser, okuyilama options awu-3. Mayi-decreaser i-net force okusho ukuthi iyakuvikela i-airbag ukuthi ungalimali kakhulu, yehlisa i-force ozoyi-experience. Mayehlisa i-force kuzokwenzakalani? Kuzo-increaser i-time of contact, because these are inversely proportional. So increase i-time of contact, kusho sesifuna lapho kuno-increase-ke khona kwi-time of contact, now increase. Le nto igcina isisinika ukuthi kusho ukuthi 1.8 option right ubani? U-C. Elandelayo, a ball with mass m traveling west hits a wall with velocity v. Okay, ithi sithi-ke nayi mass ubani? U-m. Nayi mass, sicollect i-data u-m. I-velocity initial ubani? Traveling west, kusho ukuthi minus v. Ngithatha to the left as negative. It bounces back with velocity, that's the final velocity, okubani? 0.75 v easterly direction, and easterly direction kusho ukuthi to the right. The change in momentum, remember change in momentum with delta p equals bani? M vf minus vi. U-m ubani? Now m vf ubani? 0.75 v minus u-minus we-formula, minus bani? Minus negative v, okwenza ukuthi kugcina kuba u-plus. Mawuthatha u-0.75 v plus 1 v, angazi noma ni-understand ukuthi kuzogcina kuba u-plus, la negative times negative is positive. So no 0.75 v plus v, okuwukuthi-ke ngithola ubani-ke mangithi 0.75 plus 1 ngithola u-1.75 times m, kusho ukuthi 1.75 mv, o positive okusho ukuthi u-east. Therefore i-answer kuzoba ubani? U-C to equation 1.9. I hope niyayithola. Elandelayo, two identical bullets x and y with identical velocities strokes a steel block and a wooden block respectively. Kusho ukuthi-ke basho ukuthi u-x yena uya kubani? Ku-steel block, sorry, and then u-y uya kubani? U-y uya ku-wooden block. Lama objects ahamba ngama-velocities afanayo. Bullet X bounces 180 degrees back from the steel block. U-bullet X uzofika engangeni kwi-block, uzovele bounce back horizontal. Bullet Y penetrates and becomes embedded inside the wooden block. U-bullet Y yena uzofika kwi-wooden block, efike mayeshaya kuye ngene phakathi, bese hlala phakathi-ke hambe nayo-ke makhanjwa. I hope niyayithola. To which one of the following statements about the impulse of the bullets is correct? Okay. Impulse of bullet X is smaller than the impulse of bullet Y. Impulse of bullet X is greater than the impulse of bullet Y. Ithi sibheke ukuthi singayenza kanjani, mhlambe le question singayi-approacha kanjani. Ngicela ukuthi ngenze i-impulse ka-bullet X mhlambe ngokwe-information engiyinikeziwe. Remember nali formula le-impulse. F net delta T equals change in P. Le nto isho ukuthini? Isho ukuthi makwenzeka ngiba ne-force nesikhathi, ngingakwazi ukuyi-calculate i-momentum, i-impulse, sorry. Makwenzeka ngiba ne-mass, i-final velocity, initial velocity, ngingakwazi uku-calculate i-impulse. as if ngicalculate change in momentum. Vele change in momentum impulse. Okay. Kule scenario ke nginikezwe ama velocities ukuthi ayafana okusho ukuthi mhlambe ngingabuka i-impulse as i-change in momentum. Ngicela ukwenza eka x. I hope nizoyi-understand lento engizoyenza la bese ngenze ka y. Okay. Nginani ka x? Remember sifuna i-change in momentum ka x. Vf minus vi. Change in momentum ka y. Vf minus vi. Okay. Ithi sibanikeza ama values. Let's say ngoba bethe two identical bullets ngizobanikeza ukuthi bane mass efanayo. Let's say 1 imass yabo. Okay, kusho ukuthi nekalona imass 1. I-final velocity ka x ithi sibone ukuthi izoba kanjani ke yona compared to eka y. Bathu x wenze njani? Ubounce back. Noma kuyenza isense ukuthi ebe ne velocity enkulu kuneka y. Mayizofika ishaye bese ibuyele emuva, kulula ukuthi ihambe ngevelocity enkulu than ukuthi mayizongena phakathi kuzoba nzima ukuthi ihambe ngevelocity enkulu mawukuthi izongena phakathi ihambe nayo iblock leyo. So kusho ukuthi u-x uzogcina aba ne-final velocity enkulu, let's say mhlawumbe u3 final velocity yakhona minus okusho ukuthi singamnikeza u2 y u2. Okay, into engiyinotisayo ukuthi u-x uzoya kwi-opposite direction okusho ukuthi u-negative. Mawukuthi beziya kwa-right uzofike eshaye kwi-steel ball block u-x and then ebounce back okusho ukuthi useya kwi-negative direction. I hope niyayithola ukuthi why ngenze u3 waba negative. U2 na-ke lona iya kwi-same direction okusho ukuthi bikade vele iya phambili izongena futhi iqhubeke iye phambili. Okay. And then i-initial velocity ngoba bathe with identical velocities strokes a steel block and a wooden block respectively. Okusho ukuthi bebehamba ngevelocity efanayo asithi beku5 or positive to the right u5 u5. Le calculation engiyiperforma lana izokwenza ukuthi ngi-understand ukuthi kahle kahle kuzokwenzakalani ngalama change in momentum noma ngalama impulse. Ubani lona u-8. Okay. kg meters per second. Lona ubani minus 3 kg meters per second. Okay. I hope niyayithola. Okusho ukuthi impulse ka x therefore is greater than i-impulse ka y. Ileyo option okumele ngiyilindele, angazi noma kunjalo yini. I-impulse ka x is greater than i-impulse ka y okusho ukuthi u-b i-answer yami. I hope niyayithola. Kubalekile ukuthi ukwazi ukwenza izinto ezikanje. Mhlambe mawukuthi bakunikeza istory nanoma bengakunikezanga ama values but mawukuthi lento okukhulunywa ngayo inama formula ukwazi ukuthi usebenzise ama formula ukwenza i-comparison. Okuwukuthi izinto ezifanayo ungazenza zibe ama constant mhlambe engeza ukushintsha uzenze kube o1 and then lezi ezoshintshayo mhlambe ungayinikeza ama values ngendlela oyinikeza ngayo. But kube ukuthi i-calculation yakhe iyayenza sense bese ukhana uyacompare ke. I hope niyayithola. Okay, landelayo bathi a spacecraft consisting of two parts A and B with masses m and 2m respectively is moving with a velocity in an easterly direction. After an explosion, part A breaks away from part B with velocity 3v in a westerly direction as shown below. So uyabona la ukuthi sinama objects awu2 before the collision ahamba as a unit and then after the collision aya separator enye yakwa left. Mhlambe masinga collect data lana kungasisiza mhlambe lokho sithi uA lona sine mass ka A oku m, uB lona sine mass ka B oku 2m. The initial velocity of A is v. Kanjalo ne initial velocity ka B uv. So singavele siyibize nge-initial velocity singasho ukuthi initial velocity ka A noma initial velocity ka B. Sivele sithi initial velocity i-common factor kulama objects O2. And then i-final velocity ka A u-minus 3v. I hope niyayithola ngoba iya to the left noma iya ku-westerly direction. And then i-final velocity ka-B asinayo. Ithini i-question? The magnitude of the velocity of part B after the collision is, kusho ukuthi kumele scalculate yona. I hope niyabona ukuthi le yi-principle of conservation of linear momentum. Okusho ukuthi sigma P before equals sigma P after. Into esiyinotisayo ukuthi initially bebehamba as a unit. Bane common initial velocity. So kusho ukuthi ngizoyi-factor out as a common factor, and then ngibe no mass of A plus mass of B kuma brackets equals, cabanga ukuthi niyena ayibone evidweni into kanje. Mawungakazi uyibona ungahamba kuyobukela ivideo. Mass of A final velocity of A plus mass of B final velocity of B. Iyo into engaskhiphela i-answer right ke le. The initial velocity is V, m of A is m plus m of B is 2m equals m of A is m, final velocity of A is bani minus 3v plus m of B is 2m, final of B asifuna yona. Sesiyasolva ke lana, uyabona ukuthi mawusolva lana uzoqala u-add m plus 2m uthola u-3m. So this is 3m v kahle kahle, noma this is 3m times uv lo ongaphandle equals ubani lo u-3m times uv naye o negative kodwa angithi uyabona multiply la plus 2mvf ka-B. Now sesizo transpose ke lo ebuye ngapha ukuze lo izosala yedwa sizokwazi ukusolve uVFB. Masim transpose uzoba positive. I hope niyayithola. So kuno 3mv plus 3mv oku 6mv, 6mv equals 2mvfb. Bese ke uVFB ngizomthola kanjani ngokuthi ngidivide ngo2m ngapha nangapha. Mangidivide ngo2m ngapha nangapha, u-m no-m bazokhanselana. Lo m lona lo m bazokhanselana. So 6/2 kuba u3 v. Lo v lo. So it's 3v. So the answer right ku C. But the magnitude of the impulse on a ball bouncing off a wall is equals to the magnitude of the impulse. The magnitude of the impulse is equals to the net force of the ball on the wall. Akulona iqiniso leli. Lithi siyibuke yona impulse itself. I-impulse iu-F net delta T equals change in P. So the magnitude of the impulse of i-ball elibhounce off the wall kumele ibe equals to the change in momentum or equals to the product of the net force and the time of contact. The product of the net force of the ball and the time it acts. Uyambona option B usho kanjalo, usho lento esiqeda ukuyichaza la, kusho ukuthi option B answer right. Ithi sibona C, the change in velocity very wrong. Product of the mass and the acceleration wrong futhi naye lona. A body moving at a constant velocity has kinetic energy E. Niwanake lama questions engwenzayo, especially lawo kumele uperforme kuwo ama calculations, nizothola indlela yokwa approacha. Okay, bathini ke a body moving at a constant velocity has kinetic energy E. Into engiyenzayo uma ngiphendula lama questions ngiqale ngithi ke nayi kinetic energy ngiyazi ikanje, half mv squared, and then momentum P equals mv. So kufana nokuthi lana ngine kinetic energy ewu-E okuwukuthi mhlambe ngine kinetic energy ke initially mhlambe ngingayenza kanje 1/2 ayikho into engingayenza kuye, but i-mass athi ngithi constant, i-velocity ngithi constant, akukhulunywa ngalutho ngazo. And then i-mass constant, i-constant. I hope niyangithola. So la ngizothola u1, la ngithola 1/2. Ngamanye amazwi ngisho ukuthi this is my E njengoba bethi the kinetic energy is E. This is my P njengoba bethi momentum is p. Buka-ke sebethini-ke manje. Sebethi-ke the velocity of the ball is doubled. Which one of the following correctly gives the magnitude of both kinetic energy and momentum? Sebenzeni? Sebethathe usifuna ukubona ukuthi kuzokwenzakalani nge-kinetic energy now if the velocity is doubled. Bathi the velocity is doubled. Sifuna ukubona ukuthi kuzokwenzakalani nge-kinetic energy and then ne-momentum. Now ama-formula khona. I-kinetic energy, remember 1/2 uzobuya akushiwo ngolutho nge-mass ukuthi izoremaina as lo 1 at i-value uye. I-velocity ibi-1 to double-ke kuzomele kube ubani-ke from 1 kube u-2 and then u-squared. P equals tisibona i-mass izolokhu i-1 njengoba i-1 akushiwo ngolutho ngayo but i-velocity i-doubled from u-1 if we double u-1 kuzogcina ubani kuba u-2. So la ngiba nobani no-2 as i-momentum yami, lana ngiba nobani no-2 as i-kinetic energy yami. Okay, yini-ke ngiyenzayo njengamanje sengifuna ukukompera-ke lezi zinto-ke lezi zinto lezi ukuthi okay if ngino-1 of i-momentum sengino-2 of momentum kusho ukuthi we are talking about lana noma we are looking at u-2p. So u-2p for i-momentum uyongayenza sense if the velocity is doubled. We had 1p, now sesino-2p noma 1 of i-momentum and then 2 times of i-momentum manje. Ithi sibuka i-kinetic energy. Ma ukompera ukusuka ka-half uya ku-2 uhambe kangaki? Uhambe 4 times. Bawu-4 o-half ku-2. So kusho ukuthi kuzomele sibuke lapho okuno-4 ikhona okuwu-C. So i-answer right-ke u-C ngaleyo reason leyo. I hope niyayithola. Kubalulekile ukuthi ukwazi ukuperforma ama-calculations ngayo le ndlela le engiqeda ukukuvezela yona la. Nanoma ngayiphi-ke kodwa ongakwazi ukuwaperforma ngayo ma izokunikeza nje i-answer right. Okay, two trolleys M and N are at rest on a frictionless surface. The compressed spring between the two trolleys is released and the trolleys move away from each other. Okay, mhlambe ke yayenza ke sense ngoba siyayibona i-diagram but ithi ayifana nale question ebingenhla ama-trolley awu-2 ebehlanganiswe i-spring emile kwadedelwa i-spring and then ahlukana ke in the opposite direction to the opposite direction. Okay, kuthiwani-ke manje the trolleys reach the buffers u-V no-W lama-barrier lawa simultaneously afike kanye kanye. Which one of the following states the correct relationship between the magnitudes of the force on the two trolleys? A relationship between ama-magnitude ama-force kuma-trolleys, change in momentum and acceleration of the two trolleys. Okay, masingaqala mhlambe sibuke i-magnitude of the force kuma-trolleys, siyazi ukuthi lana kube ne-interaction between le two lena okuwukuthi-ke according to Newton's third law, i-force on M by N is the same as force on N by M. Angazi noma ngisho kahle ngisho ukuthi i-force exertwa u-M ku-N iyafana ne-force exertwa u-N ku-M. Therefore, kusho ukuthi lana kwi-force we looking at law na law. Sebefeyilile-ke laba. Kanjalo ama-options aseyehla. Okay, mhlambe-ke singangayazi i-change in momentum, angazi noma mhlawumbe omunye ngayazi noma engangayazi but angeke size sikwazi ukuthi sithi mhlambe sibheke i-acceleration singakwazi ukuthi senze leyo nto leyo mhlambe sibuye kwi-momentum noma sathola i-acceleration sesiqedile angazi noma mhlambe ungayibuka ngaleyo ndlela leyo kulula njengoba kunama-options anje sesiyazi ukuthi i-force injani sathola ukuthi injani i-acceleration therefore i-change in momentum izobe ileyo nto-ke ngoba awafani. Okay, ngicela ukuya kwi-acceleration ngibona ngazuthi kulula mhlawumbe ukuthi ngiyibuke i-acceleration ngibuka ukuthini ngibuka ukuthi bathi lama objects owu-2 omunye bengayibuka ngenye indlela ngibuka ukuthi bathi lama objects owu-2 afika ngesikhathi esifanayo kuma-buffers lawa u-W no-V but into engiyinothisayo ukuthi u-M uhamba i-distance ende kune-distance ehanjwa u-N okusho ukuthi mhlambe-ke u-accelerator kakhulu u-M kuno-N ngoba phela kuzomela ekhave lo 90 centimeters efike kodwa kanye kanye nalo okhave u45 njengoba bethi bafika simultaneous. Lokusho ukuthi i-acceleration ka-m is therefore greater than i-acceleration ka-n. Angithi uyabona-ke lo kusho ukuthi seku-obvious ukuthi equal change in whatever momentum. Or bebekhuluma vele nge-change in momentum ka-m neka m. Angazi ukuthi why noma mhlambe angiboni kahle but anginendaba naye kakhulu lo nangumuntu enginendaba naye labe engibatholile abawu2 okwenza ukuthi therefore owes3 ebe right. So i-answer A but ungayicabanga ke le ukuthi why ke bethi change momentum kalo omunye ifana nalo omunye. A toy gun is fixed to a small cart and both move to the right with a speed v along a straight track as shown below. When the gun fires a bullet, the cart with the gun is brought to rest. If m is the mass of the cart and the gun combined, so last no m1, u-m1 wethu ilo m omkhulu, m2 ilo m omncane, m we-bullet, basho kanjalo. And m small letter is the mass of the bullet. What is the speed of a bullet immediately after it is fired? Lana initially besinani, a toy gun is fixed to a small cart and both move to the right. There's a cart and the gun baya to the right both, but also there's a bullet inside the gun. Kusho ukuthi na ibullet ihamba nge-speed v futhi. So the initial velocity ke is common uv. The initial velocity is common uv. I hope niyayithola leyo nto le. But ke yini eyenzakalayo ke kwi-cart ne toy gun bazoma bona after the collision. Okay, ngibhale ngale ndlela ejwayelekile. Bazoma after firing i-bullet. Kushiwo kanjalo. But lona yena i-bullet obviously lizokwenza njani, lizohamba mabeqeda ukulifire. Asazi ukuthi lihamba ngobani. I-question ithi isicalculate ukuthi lihamba ngobani i-bullet. Siyabona ukuthi principle of conservation of linear momentum. So sigma p before equals sigma p after. Initially sinani sine common initial velocity. So initial bahamba ndawonye i-bullet nesibhamu ke ne-cart. So ti m1 plus m2 equals u-m1 final u0 i-momentum yakhe. Noma ni understand. There's u0. Remember kuzomela kube u-mv plus mv la. But low ne-velocity u0. 0 times whatever m kuzogcina kuba ubani kuba u0. Yikho ke ngifaka u0 la. I hope niyayithola ukuthi why ngicina ngisebenzisa u0. Elandelayo sifuna in manje plus i-mass ye-bullet oku small letter m times i-vf ye-bullet, so 2vf2. V okuyi-velocity yazo zowu2 initial. U-m1 is capital letter M plus u-m2 is small letter m equals m vf2. Uyabona ngithi u-vf2 kusho ukuthi ngizodivide ngo-m small letter m ngapha nangapha. Lo nalo bazokhanselana. Kusala u-vf2 elingana nalento le. Ubani kolingana nalento le? Small capital letter m plus small letter m in bracket times v over small letter m. Kusho ukuthi answer C. Siyithola kanjalo. Which one of the following statement is equivalent to Newton's second law of motion? Newton's second law of motion nangu F net equals ma. Nangu futhi uNewton's second law of motion, but this time simbhale in terms of momentum. So ungayibuka njengokuthi this is Newton's second law in terms of acceleration, this is Newton's second law in terms of momentum. Mhlawumbe ungayibuka ngaleyo ndlela leyo. Bathini ke la bathi which one of the following statement is equivalent to Newton's second law of motion? The net force experienced by an object is equivalent to the rate of change of momentum of that object. Okuyilento le. Yes, iqiniso le. Iqiniso leli. The change in momentum of an object? No. Net force ayilingani ne change in momentum of an object. The impulse experienced by the object, no, i-net force ayilingani ne-impulse. The momentum of that object, no. So i-option right-ke uyu-A. If the total momentum of a system is changing, the total momentum is changing, okusho ukuthi sigma p is changing. Kusho ukuthini lokho? The particles of the system must be exerting force on each other. The system must be under the influence of gravity. The system must move at constant velocity. A net external force must be acting on the system. Nansi answer D. In an isolated system, the total linear momentum is conserved. Or the total momentum is not changing. If it's changing, there's an external force acting on the system. Therefore, the system is isolated. I hope it all. A person drops a glass bottle onto a concrete floor from a certain height and the bottle breaks. Uyayidropha-ke ibhodlela-ke lo muntu lona liyafike liyahlephuka amalifika kwi-concrete. The person then drops a second ball usephosa lesibili, identical glass bottle kusaseyileli ele-glass from the same height onto a thick wooden carpet or woolen carpet njalo hayi wooden, but the bottle doesn't break. Okay, lana-ke bathatha ibhodlela baliphosa ku-concrete, ikhonkolo lizofike lihlephuke, balithatha baliphosa kukhaphethe angeke lihlephuke. Uyabona-ke lapho ukuthi kusho ukuthi kune-force e-experienced, khona into e-influence i-force e-experienced. Okokuqala, mayiya kwi-concrete i-force enkulu, as a result liyahlephuka ibhodlela. Okwesi-2, maliya kwi-carpet i-force igcine bancane ezo-experience ibhodlela ligcina lisahlephuki. Okusho ukuthi-ke sekufika la kubani, remember Newton's second law in terms of momentum. Uye lo ositshela nge-force ezo-experienceka nendlela eba-affected ngayo. Akuyona kodwa Newton's second law le in terms of momentum. Remember, so divide ngo-delta T ngapha nangapha bese siyayithola Newton's second law in terms of momentum. Ithini-ke yona-ke? Ithi uma ukuthi i-force iya increase, isikhathi sizo decrease. Uma ukuthi i-force iya decrease, isikhathi sizo increase. So kuthiwani-ke la, which one of the following is correct for the second bottle compared to the first bottle for the same change in momentum? Yini-ke e-correct for i-second bottle? I-second bottle, remember, ilimalanga, kusho ukuthi the force was reduced. Uma ku-reduce-eka i-force kusho ukuthi its time of contact yenze njani? Iya increase. Time of contact with the carpet kuzomela ibe larger, kusho ukuthi laba bowu-2 abangahle besebenze, but i-force izoba njani? Izoba small i-force, kusho ukuthi lona. Therefore 1.18 answer D. Okay, mangathiwa bebethe explain-ke lento le kuma long questions-ke for mhlambe 3 marks, ubuzothi wena the time of contact increases, the force experienced noma the net force experienced decreases, bese ungakhohlwa ukuthi at the same change in momentum. Ungayikhohlwa leyo nto leyo, uyibhale ibe ama-points njengoba ngiye. 1.19, the same force is applied to trolley A and trolley B as shown in the sketch below. Ku-applywa ini lana? I-force efanayo. Okay, la kule concept ye-momentum i-force siyazi la. Kubalulekile ukuthi makukhulunywa ngento ukhumbule ukuthi konje siqale nini ukukhuluma ngayo leyo nto leyo. Siqalela ukukhuluma nge-force kwi-impact. Kuthiwa the mass of A is twice the mass of B. If the rate of change of momentum, nayi rate of change of momentum i-force, nayi. Lento le is the rate of change of momentum, but lento lena is lento le. So njengoba bethi if the rate of change of momentum, basho ukuthi if the force kahle kahle is x, then the rate of change of momentum ka B futhi nayo izoba u-x. Ngobani? Force mayifana kusho ukuthi if i-force ifana kusho ukuthi ne rate of change of momentum izofana ngoba i-force is equals to the rate of change of momentum. The front of a modern car is designed to crumble in case of a head-on collision. The chance of serious injuries to the passenger is reduced because ngithi yabo la bese bekhuluma nge-injuries okuwukuthi kune-force e-involved. F net equals change in P over change in t. Sakhuluma ngayo i-concept ye-Newton's second law in terms of momentum. Bathi-ke ama-changes we-injuries azoba reduced because the net force acting on the passenger is reduced, iqiniso lelo, since the contact time, okay, into eyenzakalayo, bathi the force is reduced, therefore kusho ukuthi lokuzomele increase. Since the contact time of the car to stop decreases, wrong A. Ayikwazi phela ukwehla zo-2 i-force ibe reduced nesikhathi si-decrease. Asizu B. The net force acting on the passenger is reduced since the rate of change of momentum decreases. Bathi lo uyehla since lo ehla. Kungayenza ke sense ngoba lo uyi-law vele. F net is law. So ingayenza isense mhlawumbe uB. Ake simbambe sizwa abalandelayo ukuthi bathini bona. Net force acting on the passenger is reduced since the change in momentum is reduced. Ayikho leyo nto leyo. Remember, if force yehla kuzo increase the time at the same change in momentum. Sizu D. The net force acting on the passenger is reduced since the change in momentum is increased. Ayikho leyo nto. I-force izo-reducer kodwa at the same change in momentum. So i-answer yenza isense ke uB. A car has an initial momentum of 5,000 kg meters per second east. The vector below shows the initial momentum of the car. So last ne-initial momentum oku-P initial positive 5,000 thathu to the right as positive. The car is involved in a collision and the change in momentum of the car is represented below. Sengine change in momentum manje. Whereas the change in momentum is momentum final minus momentum initial. Minus 2,000 ngithatha to the right as positive. Remember, momentum is vector quantity, so you need to take direction into consideration. So, bathini the vector representing the final momentum P final asinaye of the car after the collision is mhlambe ke before siye kwi vector ake siyicalculate i-change in momentum sibone ukuthi sithola ubani. Change in momentum is P final minus P initial iyeke leka M Vf minus Vi asinayo imass asinayo i-velocity, so i-right masiyibuka ngale ndlela le. Sinobani u-change in momentum minus 2,000 P final asinayo, P initial ubani 5,000. So no minus 2,000 equals P final minus 5,000. Minus over formula and then 5,000 positive. Now we solve for P final lana uzokwenza njani? Transpose lo 5,000 o negative uzoba positive. 5,000 minus 2,000 is positive 3,000. So sino 3,000 kg meters per second. Okusho ukuthi kuzomela sibheke i-option ezosinikeza u-3,000 oya kwa-right ngoba sithatha to the right as positive. Okuwukuthi ke i-option e-right u-A. Laba-ke ba-totally wrong bobabili. Lona u-wrong ngokuthi uthi to the left, akasho ukuthi to the right. So ihamba kanjalo-ke. Elandelayo, a ball of mass M moving horizontally to the right strikes a wall with a velocity of 4 meters per second. Okay, it is collected data. Sno M buya ngathi object A1, so M VI 4 meters per second to the right, uzoba positive. The ball rebounds in the opposite direction with velocity, sesine final velocity manje oku negative 2 meters per second. Which one of the following options below correctly represent the momentum vectors of the initial momentum, final momentum, and change in momentum? Okay. Nayi into ebalekile okumele uyazi mhlambe basinikeza ama velocity ku statement sebebuza ngama momentum manje. I momentum idepende ku velocity. Mhlambe ukuthi siyenze ibelula lento singalokho isicalculator, but ubunga calculator akukho wrong. But I momentum idepende ku velocity. Uma ukuthi velocity ithi to the right, momentum izoba to the right. Okusho ukuthi the initial momentum silindele ukuthi i-affectwe yinayo initial velocity. So kungawu 4m, remember momentum is mv. So i-mass ne-velocity, i-mass u-m. So 4m lona u-right for ukuthi kube we-initial momentum. So engaba right lona, engaba right lona, engaba right lona, engaba right lo. Ithi si-check-ke i-final momentum. Final momentum izodependa kwi-final velocity ngoba i-momentum idepende kwi-velocity. Okay. So u2 othi to the left kodwa kusho ukuthi u2 times m oku2m ke o negative othi to the left. So le ingaba right, le isi wrong. Le ingaba right, le ingaba right ngoba ithi to the left. Ithi sibone ke change in momentum. Mhlambe ngadinga ukuthi siyicalculate ke change in momentum. Change in p equals m vf minus vi. I-mass ubani u-m. I-final velocity u-minus 2 minus i-initial velocity u-positive 4 okwenza ukuthi kube u-minus 6m othini to the left. Now kusho ukuthi answer C. I hope niyayithola. Elandelayo, if the momentum of an object is doubled, its kinetic energy is, ithi sibukeke. Ile yanto efana neyasekuqaleni. If i-momentum, nayi momentum, P equals mv. Okay, cela ukubhala ngalombala. Nayi momentum, P equals mv. Nayi kinetic energy, E equals 1 over 2 mv squared. Let's say ayikakabi doubled. Kusho ukuthi sothi mhlawumbe i-mass constant u1, sithi velocity mhlawumbe u1 equals kuzoba u1 la. I-kinetic energy yona 1 over 2, i-mass sithi 1, i-velocity 1 squared kuzoba 1 over 2. Okay, lento yenzeka zingakabi doubled. Kuthiwa if the momentum of an object is doubled, konje momentum idepende kwini? Kwi-velocity, angithi uyakhumbula. For a momentum to be doubled, remember i-mass ngeke ishintshe, kuzomela kushintshe i-velocity ibe doubled ngamanye amazwi. So kuzoba ubani ke 1, i-velocity izobe siba u2. Nayi ke momentum isi-doubled. Ekuqaleni ibe u1 manje siwu2. Ithi sibone i-kinetic energy kuzokwenzakalani. 1 over 2, remember kusho ukuthi i-mass u1, i-velocity seku2. Kuzoba ubani ke ekugcineni? Kuzoba u2. Angithi niyayibona. So i-kinetic energy ibi half isi-2 okusho ukuthi isi-4 times greater than lokho ebiyikho ekuqaleni. Therefore i-answer e-right kuzoba u-D ku-1.23. I hope niyayithola. Elandelayo, an object has the momentum p for a time t seconds. Which one of the following graphs correctly shows the acceleration time relationship for this time interval? So bathi momentum ibe u-p for the time t seconds. Kusho ukuthi for some time i-momentum ibingashintshi. Ukungashintshi kwe-momentum ibilokhu u-p ibingashintshi. Ukungashintshi kwe-momentum ukungashintshi kwe-velocity. Ukungashintshi kwe-velocity ukuba u-0 kwe-acceleration, because i-acceleration is the rate of change in velocity. So if there's no change in velocity, kusho ukuthi there's 0 acceleration. Nayi ke igraph ene-0 acceleration, ugraph B lo. I hope niyayithola. Nayi acceleration yakhona uku-0. Elandelayo, a vehicle with mass m is moving horizontally at a constant velocity on a frictionless path. The kinetic energy of a vehicle is K and the momentum is P. So kinetic energy eyilento eyiyo ne-momentum eyilento eyiyo. The velocity of the vehicle can be written as lana sino K okuyi-kinetic energy sibe no P okuyi-momentum, but siyazi lo ulingana nobani half m v squared. Lo siyazi ulingana nobani? No mv. La bathini-ke bathi velocity can be written as, okusho ukuthi enye indlela engabhalwa ngayo i-velocity. Into engiyinothisayo kulama options, i-kinetic energy okuwu-K sezi-together manje ne-momentum okuwu-P. Kanti manje la kuma-formula ami i-kinetic energy ihamba yodwa, i-momentum ihamba yodwa. But into engiyinothisayo ukuthini, kunento e-common kulama-equations owu-2, okusho ukuthi singakwazi ukwenza leyo nto i-subject of the formula bese siya-equator bese solver for u-v. Angazi noma niyayithola leyo nto leyo. But-ke akunankinga-ke, into esingayenza elula ukuthi sithi buka la ku-half mv squared. U-v squared usho ukuthi v times v. U-v squared lo. But lo ubani lo? U-p, ngoba p is mv. Okusho ukuthi sino-k equals 1/2 pv. Angazi noma niyayithola. Solve for uv lana uzothi 2k uya cross multiply equals pv, and then v equals 2k over p. Angazi noma niyayithola. Uma usolve for uv from la uzothola lento le, okusho ukuthi answer b. Siyabonga.